Guys, today I'm going to show how to send disappear photos and videos on Instagram. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Generally we share our photos or videos by mean as shown on the video. It's just click the photo icon and just we share the photos. By not like that, we can also share the photo like disappeared once it has been seen by one time. So for that, please enter into your camera icon and just you can take a picture, and at the left side you may click view once or keep once. Likewise, you can click the mode and you can share the photos. The photo will be shared at the one time at the moment. After that it will be disappear, not like on the camera, but also you can just click your picture while entered after the camera, and then you can select your picture, and then you can click view once or keep once or allow keep on chat, anything whatever you need. You can send the photos or videos as like what I show. So this is how guys we can send or share the disappear photos. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to Tube.